Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Red Dead Redemption 1. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable golden guns within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Red Dead Redemption game on your device and you may start playing if you wish, or you can also change these settings without starting your game from the main menu. You can go into the options menu right from the home page if you haven't started your game, or if you have, then simply pause your game and then click on options from the pause menu. From here, within the gameplay options, you will find the golden guns section. You can simply use the toggle and set this to off. And once you do this, you can go back to your gameplay and this will save your changes and disable all of the golden guns within the game right away. If you wish to turn this setting back on in the future, you can once again go to the pause menu and from the options section, go back to gameplay and turn on the golden guns using the toggle option once again. After you do this, the settings will be saved one more time, and now the golden guns have once again been activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable golden guns within the Red Dead Redemption game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.